Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to use FDC method to calculate environmental flow. There are basically two methods for calculating FDC. One we can using Excel calculate FDC, and another is using IHS software, indicator of hydrological alteration. We can calculate FDC here. Today we see how to calculate using Excel the probability P equal rank divided by n plus 1, where P is the estimated probability and rank the position of the data pointing under a set, and n is the total data number. Here in an Excel sheet there are two columns. In one column there are dead data available, and another column there are discharge data in meter cube per second unit. This data is basically for Shangu River at station, and station name is 247 SW. Here data is available from 1990 to 2020 years, so there are 30 years data available. So calculating in FDC method, calculating flow in FDC method, we create another some columns in Excel sheet. Initially we one column name is year and second column name is month. In year column we press a formula equal year between first bracket A2, and in month we formula use equal month in first bracket A2 as the first data is available in A2. Then we drag in both columns for year and column also, year and months also. For 12 months we got 12 flow value. For that, in Excel sheet we create another three columns. One is discharge, which is in decreasing order, another is rank, and the final column is percent of accidents. Initially we select first four columns and sort by month, and month is lies in DE. Month, as we are not selecting in first row, so as months in E column and year is D column, we select. After that, the first data is converted, the all data is converted initially January month. First 546 number data for January month, and then for February month, after February, March, April, May, and so on. So we copy the discharge data for January month and paste. Here we have to paste obviously in decreasing rate. Then rank 1, 2, 3 sequentially is set. Then percentage of accidents equal rank divided by n plus 1. So n equal 546 plus 1. So we got percentage accidents. So as we said that earlier, we have to sequence discharge data as decreasing order. So select, then sort, continue with largest to smallest is called the decreasing order. Then already we analysis is done for January month. So in every month, basically there FDC method there are two categories. OA1 is considered as normal month or low flow month, and another is high flow months. Basically for June, July, August, September, October considered as a high flow month. For normal month we use 19th percentile, and for high flow months we use 15 percentile value. For as January as the low flow or normal month, so we use 19th percentile value, and in when percentage of exceedance is 89.94, the discharge value is 2.78, and the percentage value is 19.12. The discharge also same, 2.78. So finally, for percentage of exceedance at 19, the value will be 2.78, and it is the flow value for January month. But if for percentage of exceedance 89.94, if the Q value is 2.5 and say the percentage of exceedance as 19.12 is 2.9, so the value are difference. So we have to find the value at 19th percentile. So we should, or we must do the interpolation between these two values. And for 19th, we use 19th percentile for the low flow months or normal month, and we use 15th percentile for high flow months like June, July, August, September, October. In that case, we have to use 15th percentile, not 19th percentile. So when we calculate June, July, or August months, we have to check 15th month. Thank you for watching.